The Great Battle of Veggies and Meat.
蔬菜与肉类的大战。
In the quiet fridge kingdom, all the vegetables lived on the top shelf.
在安静的冰箱王国里，所有蔬菜都住在最上层。
In the quiet fridge kingdom, all the vegetables lived on the top shelf. The carrots, broccoli, tomatoes, and corn were proud of their bright colors.
红萝卜、花椰菜、番茄和玉米都为自己的鲜艳颜色感到骄傲。
The carrots, broccoli, tomatoes, and corn were proud of their bright colors. On the bottom shelf lived the meat army, chicken, beef, pork, and bacon.
底层住着肉类军队，鸡肉、牛肉、猪肉和培根。
On the bottom shelf lived the meat army, chicken, beef, pork, and bacon. One day, the bacon shouted, "We taste the best. Everyone knows it."
有一天，培根大叫：“我们最好吃，大家都知道。”
One day, the bacon shouted, "We taste the best. Everyone knows it." Broccoli puffed up his green curls and said, "Healthy food is the real champion."
花椰菜抖抖绿卷发说：“健康的食物才是真冠军。”
Broccoli puffed up his green curls and said, "Healthy food is the real champion." The chicken flapped its wings. People love us more than vegetables.
鸡肉拍了拍翅膀，人们比起蔬菜更爱我们。
The chicken flapped its wings. People love us more than vegetables. The tomatoes rolled forward bravely. Let's settle this with a food battle.
番茄勇敢地往前滚，让我们用一场食物大战来决定吧。
The tomatoes rolled forward bravely. Let's settle this with a food battle. The beef stumped heavily, making the fridge shake.
牛肉重重地踩地板，把冰箱震得咚咚响。
The beef stumped heavily, making the fridge shake. On the veggie side, the corn kernels jumped like tiny golden soldiers.
在蔬菜军那边，玉米粒像小小黄金士兵一样跳动。
On the veggie side, the corn kernels jumped like tiny golden soldiers. The pork slices lined up like pink shields, ready for battle.
猪肉片像粉红色盾牌一样排好队，准备战斗。
The pork slices lined up like pink shields, ready for battle. Just when the two sides were about to clash, the fridge light turned on, click.
正当双方要冲上去时，冰箱的灯突然啪地亮起。
Just when the two sides were about to clash, the fridge light turned on, click. The human mum opened the door and said, "What a mess. Stop fighting."
人类妈妈打开冰箱说：“怎么乱成这样？不要吵架。”
The human mum opened the door and said, "What a mess. Stop fighting." All the veggies and meat froze like statues.
所有蔬菜和肉都瞬间冻住，像雕像一样。
All the veggies and meat froze like statues. Mum put chicken, broccoli, and carrots together on the counter.
妈妈把鸡肉、花椰菜和红萝卜一起放到台面上。
Mum put chicken, broccoli, and carrots together on the counter. Then she added tomatoes, corn, pork, and even bacon.
然后她又加入番茄、玉米、猪肉，甚至是培根。
Then she added tomatoes, corn, pork, and even bacon. We make the best meals when we work together, Mum said.
妈妈说，我们要一起合作，才能做出最好吃的料理。
We make the best meals when we work together, Mum said. The vegetables looked at the meat. The meat looked at the vegetables.
蔬菜看着肉，肉也看着蔬菜。
The vegetables looked at the meat. The meat looked at the vegetables. Slowly, they nodded and agreed. Teamwork was stronger than fighting.
他们慢慢点头，同意合作比打架更重要。
Slowly, they nodded and agreed. Teamwork was stronger than fighting. That night, they became a delicious stew that warmed the whole family.
那天晚上，他们变成一锅美味的炖菜，温暖了整个家庭。
That night, they became a delicious stew that warmed the whole family. From that day on, veggies and meat never fought again, because good food is made together.
从那天起，蔬菜和肉再也不吵架了，因为美味是一起完成的。
From that day on, veggies and meat never fought again, because good food is made together.